Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2015 Buick Encore Convenience Group, stock number Z8099X. Only 13,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Encore brand new, ruby red metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Encore seats 5. Not only low miles but very clean inside and out. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. And of course, no dents or dings in the body. This convenience group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Again, only 13,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large infotainment system, for radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity, for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, CD player, dual-zone automatic temperature control, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space with all the owner's materials inside. Homelink auto dimming mirror and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Encore has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 25 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 33 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.